Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I have for you a Beauty Big Bang review, and today I am reviewing for you a stamping plate case holder right here. And this one, let me show you. So I have already filled this up to the max, okay, but let's go over the design details before I show you inside. So as you can see, it has a nice textured pink hollow cover right here. Check out that rainbow. It's interesting because I don't know how they did that. It really just stays there. So yeah, it's like it doesn't move around, but the rainbow is very obvious. And then here it is on the back. Oh, so this one is, see, two rainbows. Check it out. And it has, so this one has a nice gold zipper all the way around with the tassel right here, very pretty, and a gold heart charm, as you can see. Now, let me show you. So I did receive their newest stamping plates that I have them in here. I have not removed the blue film off of them. You might take a sneak peek, but I will have a review video just for those stamping plates. But just to show you inside, I have this filled up to the max. I mean, I have more plates in here than they promised could fit, because this has, okay, so it fits. Let me go ahead and split it here because it's kind of split in half. So this half of the case is for the rectangular stamping plates. As you can see, these are the new ones that I kept the blue film on them, and you can fit, I have 8 rectangular stamping plates right here. Okay, this is their newest that I've not even used, but I will do a review on these later on. So these are 8 of the rectangular ones with the backing, the plastic backing, and then we have 8 more sheets with the smaller pockets for the the square, round, or octagonal stamping plates. And I kind of cheated on these because for these I was able to put plates front and back. You see that? I wasn't able to do it with the rectangular ones because these rectangular ones have this backing, which makes them thicker. And as you saw, I was like, look how nice and comfortable I'm able to shut that and close it up. It's not bulky at all. See that? Very nice. Nice job with this one, Beauty Big Bang. Thank you for listening to our needs. Look at that. Nice. Of course, it's got a good way there, but that, I love how it fits. I mean, I like that. There's no bulkiness or anything. See that? Very nice. So yes, I cheated here with the squares of the smaller plates in putting. I went ahead and tested them out, putting them back to back, and see if I will still be able to shut this and it closes nice. Now here's another bonus, guys. I love this design on these pockets because the plates come up from the top. Okay, see how nice and easy these slide. I mean, I have 2 plates and they slide out very easy. I don't have to struggle there, even though I have 2. But yes, they have this coming out from the top. I love that because I hate, and you know, well, we have long nails, or some of us that do, but we like to keep our nails nice, and I hate having to kind of, it's like, you know, having to bend this to have to pull them from the side. But yes, look at that. They all come from the top, and the rectangular ones, same thing. See, they just slide off from the top. That was a smart design. Again, thank you, Beauty Big Bang. So that, and this, I will have the link for this case down in the description bar below. Very well priced, under $10. And remember that you can take advantage of my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me this beautiful case to play with and review. If you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.